know last time I said I got a muffler to leave. We just got her cleaned up, man. Got her nice and shiny. You know what I'm saying? Hey, shout out to bro who said something about my sticker last time. Hey, chill out, chill on me. I ain't gonna talk no more. We gonna let her talk. We gonna let her talk. We gonna let her do the talking, man. That's right. We straight pipe now, bro. Hey, look, that muffler delete was cool. Hold on. The muffler delete was cool, but it wasn't enough. What? Look, nice, shiny, clean. She barking. Yeah. So anyway, that's that. She looking good. She barking. I ain't gonna lie. I will say that it do sound a lot different. It sound a lot different on cam though. But she barking. That motherfucker barking. But yeah, I have some more videos and shit for y'all later, man. That's all I got.